The ice cream truck.
Soon when it goes fall away.
Okay, dude. I'm not on for your jokes again. Okay. Look, I just want to be on the ground. I don't care if I'm taking or not. Look, bro. There's bugs outside. There's bugs. You know. Hold up.
Ooh, ha, ha, ha. I'm gonna take you away.
I told him not to stay on the freaking goddamn ground.
Where are you going to be?
Like, what the fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck? What just happened?
Maybe he cracked some of his bones.
I am hearing some sound. Hold on, it's coming from over there. What is that?
Maybe it's an owl. Cheep, 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 cheep. 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 I wish it was in Squid Game so we could get $1 trillion.
Not. Ow! Okay.
But can I speak a shit for a second? Maybe him on the ground wasn't a bad idea because he's in the hospital right now and he broke all his bones. Goodbye.
Okay, wait. But act like they're outside. Hold on, I hear something. It's pretty sus. What is that?
Can I speak with you for a second?
Yeah. Meanwhile.
Why am I in the hospital, bro?
Meanwhile.
I'm in the hospital? I'm out of here. I will blow up again. Oh.
Sissy, I think you should get that for me.
I don't care. If any raccoon, I will.
What about a fly?
Wanna wait and go to the house?
Wait, Makita's carrying me and just let me inside already, Sincere?
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Whoa!
What's that guy's name?
One!
So am I gonna get any help right here, you stupid nigga?
There's no way. There's no way! We keep hearing the engine.
You know what? I hear it. Kevin, you hear that?
Yeah.
What is it?
I think that's the ice cream truck.
It's-
If I look at my wallet, I don't have any money.
Oh, what's...
I thought I was supposed to be rich.
I know it's a Mr. Softy, you know. I know.
I miss all that. I go to flip out.
Also, Sister, can you bring that monster truck in the house? I mean, can you bring all your other monster trucks that I tried to find outside? Can you try? Kevin, you do your thing. God, I need help. Uh-oh. Hey, where's that dog? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's not good. Who's talking to me? The Lord of God. Okay, I'm starting to hear that sound even worse by now, but what the hell is that? Ah! Oh!
I hope it's outside.
No, that Mr. Soft is... No, the ice cream truck is coming from that way. I'm dead.
Cousin, stay here. I'm going to check the backyard.
Keep hearing that. Guys! Oh my God, what? Do you hear that? No. What is that? I don't freaking know. I don't hear it. Well, how about you look on the vertical side, you dumbass?
And the bucket just
Hold
woo,
up.
woo, woo. But my dog sounds like this. Woo, woo, woo.
Yeah,
No,
what's the
woo.
difference? Hold up. I'm starting to hear it now. Hold up. Kevin, where are you hearing that? I'm hearing it from over there. Oh. You sure going over there is a good idea? supposed to know. I know it's coming from. It's that way, right? No. Ow! Ow! My bones! My bones! Ugh!
Wait. I would play Minecraft, but if we take damage, we go to Italian brain rot.
I'm gonna sit right here for a second.
Ooh.
Act like there's a fly. Oh my god! Is that a fly? Oh, I think so. Ow!
I think
Did you have to start the teeth? Ow, I'm dead.
I think I'm Bombardiro Crocodilo. How can I take damage?
Okay, can we just all just go vertical over there? Because I don't know where the hell that sound is coming from. Okay, you don't.
If you're going to try it, you're going to be in so much trouble. Like, my grandma did not like when you're going to try it. She's going to grab the belt and boom! You're going to go flying. One time I got that and I went to Africa.
Yeah, right. You're just saying stuff. Hold up. I gotta pause.
So that's how. Like she put super potion on the belt. So that's how I went to Africa.
Act like there's a bell. What the hell is that? Ow!
We'll just put this in.
Ah!
So you're going to be flying to Africa.
What the fuck? Ugh. Act like he goes to Africa.
But I think this thing goes for the high.
What in hell's name is that? Ah, now I'm dead. Wait, I have broken bones. Wait, what the hell is that? What is that?
Whoa, I will back. What the beam? How can I take this one?
I thought the dog can talk.
Like he's really so OP. I
What
got
the
5
fuck?
bones so high.
Ow! Oh, my bones. No, I'm just gonna go back.
Yo, I'm playing Minecraft and I'm but the beam and I got 5 rolls of height.
I'm gonna go home. What? Are treating me badly. Can you just go back inside with the other monster trucks? Cause I don't want to know. I don't want anything to do with this anymore.
You can go back inside too because I know today there's going to be a tornado. It's going to be
Act like there's a POV of some idiot.
big 10.
What is this?
It's a big rock.
I don't really know. I don't think you should throw that comment in. Why? Cause I said so. Oh, I don't care.
Big 10 is a big tornado and body. There's a tornado. Yeah, there's a tornado.
I think the food van is gonna stay inside because I think he's dead right now. No, he's in the hospital. So, where's the food van? I think I'm dead. Where does that come from?
Everybody wants Big 10
Food van! Food van! Report to the kid with the white shirt and shorts with blue shoes. Food van, I repeat. Report to me now. Honestly, I think we really should go inside.
Big 10 there's a tornado. And Big 10 I'm the newsmaker. Please not be cheap. Please not be cheap. Please not be cheap. If I ain't all the cheap, I'm going to boom.
This is, look out! You're wearing a trunk.
Mom, I'm a tornado. I believe.
Why am I there?
I don't want to catch you one more time.
My God, why does life have to be like this?
Breaking news. There's going to be a tornado. There's going to be a tornado right now. And in 3 seconds.
Oh crap, we better go inside. 5, 4, 4. Oh crap, I better go inside. This master, Okay, yeah, 10 minutes. You have 10 minutes to get into a group of how many monster trucks since you're bringing. So, yeah, 10 minutes. Sissy, get the food van, all those other monster trucks. We're gonna need them.
I'm gonna donate those so I cannot do it.
It's gonna come after 10 minutes. That's how the storyline goes for this video. I don't think this is a good idea.
I'm being so bad that they don't. Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, world.
Reading Ducky won't die from the tornado. Stay in your house and do not go out and order pizza. Once you order pizza, your pizza's gonna be flew away.
I think there's a fly right there and I need help. I don't care. What am I, stupid? Untie me, motherfucker. You don't have to say it like that, okay? I think somebody else died.
Go inside. There's a fly.
What about the food van?
Well, that boy.
I'm just gonna act like nobody just came out. Someone help me.
Because at one time I ate Talkie and I set my daycare on fire.
That's true?
Yes. My friend gave me all his Talkie and
I think you're just saying things because I don't actually believe you. Say Dale Earnhardt died in the 2001 Daytona 500 if that's true.
okay. It's actually true. It's super true.
Okay, get that monster truck that was right over there, somewhere near those logs, out of there, if that's true.
All right.
Ugh, what happened? My bones are broken. I lost everything but my blade.
And one time, my friend gave me all his clean coffee, and I played.
Okay, I think we should get on with the storyline now. I really think we should. Okay, follow me.
Like, you know how you eat Takis and it's so spicy? Like, one time my friend gave me 100 Takis, and I tried to not get my mouth full. So I kind of did and the fire ended still out my mouth. But I started putting on like green fire.
Sister, I don't think we have time for one story right now. Just get my brother out of there, because he's going to die any minute.
How?
Just walk over there and get him.
How about in the neighbor's yard? Let's get a shovel for this.
You know what? I don't even know it.
Let's put
No, he's not right there. He's somewhere there.
you say
What? What? I could have sworn I saw him right here. What? Well, where did you put the food van? Because I swore I saw him. Like, somewhere around here. Okay, maybe I'm seeing so. Huh. Hey, what's that? A thing.
Oh, God, the bigger guy superpowers. Watch this. Ah!
Do you know it's the food van? The food monster truck, whatever? Where is it? Where? Tell me.
Where this look all over the place. Are you over here? No. Are you over here? No. Are you over here?
Are you ass? Look in the backyard.
Oh yeah, you coming with me for danger.
Ah. I'm acting like I did not just see anything. I'm acting like I did not see anything. I'm acting like I did not see anything happen in my fucking face. Is there gonna be a part 2? Probably. Well, are you gonna record this full video?
Nope.
Well, where is the food monster truck? Where did you put it?
I think I put it inside.
You really? Check inside. I'm at the light. I do not just see you. Well, whatever. What? The track can talk? Yes. Anyone can talk, right? I recommend you don't touch me because it's dangerous. It's dangerous.
Yeah.
Okay, so bring the other trucks inside.
Why?
Because we need them. We need them to be inside. Now, fast and quick.
Why?
Because for them to be protected by the tornado.
I was just pranking you for the tornado.
Okay, let's just get inside. I don't want any flies to get in there. What the freak? Son of a... No, I didn't ask for you to close the door. I asked for you for them to get in the door.
Pretend Evan and Kevin got friends, and Evan caused friends with a Johnny. Oh, someone with Johnny.
Yeah, we better get inside because there's a fly.
What is the fly gonna punch him in the mouth?
Flies don't have mouths.
Well, they do in the Bible.
Well-
Target just pushed their yes.
Well, that was just in that was just in the BCs and the GBs. So it's not actually real. Like the Bible is the story of Jesus Christ. So don't expect everything in it to be real. Can you please get inside? I'm dying. I'm dying of thirst, death, and eat. I need to freaking eat.
I'll order pizza. It's going in 5 minutes. And this cost $1 million. And I'm super rich that I got 500.
Please just take us inside. The pizza will be just out here. Okay, there's a fly, so we better get in now. Fast, quick.
Bruh, just stay like a statue.
No. Okay. Okay, I think I heard that the monster truck just want to go inside already. They want to see their brothers, sisters, cousins, and others. So I think we better. Yeah, I just want to see my sister.
So who's going to stay outside with me?
Well, no one because of the tornado. It's actually going to happen now. In 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
I'm not scared of tornado.
Oh, no. I thought you said you were getting ready to tornado. Oh, no. Please, let's let us inside. No. Please. No. Please. No. Please. No. Please.
And I locked the door.
Honestly. What is that? What is that red thing? No, that. Where I'm pointing.
Is that a brick?
A brick? No, that. Where Carbonator is pointing. No, look, go where I'm at right now. Wait, stand up, walk to me. No, right here. No, look on your bottom, straight. No. You just stepped over it. Right there.
Is this a brick?
No, not that thing. This.
What?
The gray thing with red. It's not a brick.
No, it feels like it.
No, not that. It's no. Look where I'm pointing.
Ah, mutant spider.
It's a spider?
Yeah, a poisonous one. Once you touch it, and it gets big. See, my mom is right over there to the black car. I think.
You ordered a pizza?
That's so blind, she can't even see what hell it is.
Deep Ant-Man.
Who?
Yo.
I was on my bike. What are you talking about?
Yo.
How you doing? I'm sorry. I was on my bike, and then I was talking to the boogie. I see the boogie. I stopped him, and I started talking.
Sister, I'm at Master. Maybe let's go inside. I'm gonna be stung by flies any minute. I'm at any second now. Wait, hurry up! We better get inside before the flies come. Sister, hold on me. Hold on.
I can't.
What do you mean?
The tornado's trying to get me.
Tornado.
Yeah, the tornado's right now. Oh no.
Sister, I knew you was right.
That's so strong.
Sister, I knew you was right. You knew that was a spider. A poisonous one.
Yeah, but because there's a tornado right now, and
Everyone get inside! Pretend to open the door. You know, pretend he gets in the house.
Mom.
Sister, please get in the door. There's a tornado. Act like there's a tornado getting him.
I can't. The tornado's too strong. Start to suck me.
Pretend the tornado sucks him.
Ah! He
Oh,
really just died. And I thought it was so hard that it makes so much smoke.
rest in peace. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna commit. You know what? I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna commit suicide. Wait, what? Ow! I'm still alive. Ow! Oh shit! Woohoo!
Whoa!
How the hell am I still alive? Oh!
Mama, look at me. I'm a tornado.
Hold on, baby.
Look at me, Mama. I'm a tornado.
We.
Help us against
She kind of deaf.
something.
Her ears are small.
Help us get
And
in.
he know you from school.
We can't.
What?
Is here?
Smooth.
What? What the? What embargo hell is that?
Need the tornado with too fast and blew me off.
Sister, can we just please? Alright, said no. I'm gonna act like I did not just. Is it a social documentary? No. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, goddammit. Hurry up, goddammit. Hurry up, goddammit.
I got some water for you.
Oh, I'd rather eat it nice. I'd rather eat it. I'd
Come on, drink
I-
the water.
rather.
I didn't even put my mouth in it. And I washed it and stuff.
Well, did you pour it from the sink?
What thing?
You know, the bathroom kitchen sink.
The bathroom kitchen?
No, yeah, No! What
No,
type of...
not from the bathroom. I bought it from the kitchen.
The kitchen sink? What are you trying to poison me? You gave me tap water?
Yeah, because one time I drank it and I didn't even die for 5 days. This and my mom said that it was healthy, but I found it very healthy.
Your parents are not always healthy, so I'm not drinking tap water.
Drink it or you will get one of these.
What is that? What is that gonna do?
I'm going to boom. I'm going to do this. Boom, boom, boom.
Sissy, I think you should get your monster truck quick.
Oh, no. Well, I guess I was thinking.
Okay, let's just get inside already. Sissy, open the door, please.
Look, no. I told Mo, I said, you supposed to call
Wait.
That's shot.
Woohoo! Woo! Don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop.
Oh, the dead shot passed.
No! Sissy! No!
I will get inside right now. And you'll be in so much trouble.
It was AI Circle K or some shit like that.
Hey, puppy. Are you sure I should make a real bark?
I will just come inside. You know you're going to go to the backyard. Then I shit you.
No, share it.
Mom, it's time to go inside.
She don't want to come inside.
Why?
I don't know.
Probably true. You know what I'm saying? You should have in the truck. You got
Well, I called.
Hey.
Oh, fuck. I ain't gonna make this one.
Like one time I waited for a pussy and she actually beat me. But she's super fast. This one. Oh, I believe. Oh, I believe.
Yo, they be switching this shit up so fucking. crazy. What are you talking about? Can you get away? What's up? Huh? What's up? A what?
An ice pop.
What's in the deep freezer? Yeah, baby. No, she not. I know, but why she gonna be in trouble? No, I don't remember. Yeah, but why she gotta be in trouble? She a dog. She ain't doing nothing. She ain't gonna chase you.
I didn't see their ice pops. I was recording this entire time. Okay. Hold on. Take your bed. Okay, now I got my ice pops. Now, Dad, do I have to do this? Yes. Fine. Oh! God, that was so cold. That sucks for you. I am. Ouch. That's mine. Who should eat it? Oh, Bib. Oh.
That's SpongeBob. The one on the top is SpongeBob.
This really came like this? Okay, you know what? I should have those. Hold up. Part 2 coming soon. I'm sorry, this was so long.